So we flipped these two over. We took this one right here, was over here, and the little black one right there was over here. So we flipped these two, and I had marked out that this end of the battery is a positive, and it's connected to this terminal here. Oops, sorry. Positive connected to this terminal, negative, positive, and they're right in line with each other. On this side, this is to mark the negative terminal. Now what I need to do is put this back in the case. So here's our case, and there's the positive side. So I'm going to, this is the positive terminal right here. So let's flip it. Slide it in. I do like that about these cases, and we'll keep the wires right in the center on both sides. You can see there's the resistor part. Well, I can't get it out, but it is right there. Yeah, right there. These will slide right in. Oh, and to get this out, what I did was, once you remove the cap, which has these little notches right here, this is the cap right there. So then what I did was I took a long skewer and just gently pushed the battery out. These cases are nice because there's room in there. Some of the others were really, really tight. Some of my old batteries that weren't any good anymore. So in this case, there's only one way it goes, and it actually has a screw on here. So I'm going to stop videotaping because I can't do this with one hand, but I'm going to take the screw out, put this back in, put the screw back in, and then we're going to take it up to the charger, and this thing should charge. So let's go. Let's try it.